Hello guys, buongiorno e buonasera. Welcome to LNGUA YouTube channel or welcome back to LNGUA YouTube channel. This is our sixth lesson. And what are we going to study about? So, same in the last lesson, we are going to in depth how to say hello in different ways. So, obviously their pronunciation and review of some words that we learned in the couple of weeks, last weeks. So, we know that ciao means hello. And this is the first word today, the salve. Salve is another way to say hello, but in a formal way. For example, we often say salve to a person who is adult than us. For example, we say salve to a professor, to our boss. Instead of saying like good morning, we say salve. Instead of saying buongiorno, we say salve because they are like adult. They need to be respected. That's why. So salve. And the second word, actually there are two words in this line. We have two words. So ci vediamo dopo. This is the first part. Ci vediamo dopo means see you later. See you later. And here a dopo means the same. But the only difference here means ci vediamo means we. It's kind of a let's. So let's see later. That's that that's what it means, word by word. So a dopo means instead. A dopo means later, just later. So in Italian we say o ci vediamo dopo, or we say a dopo, see you later. It's the same thing. And we say also a più tardi, a più tardi. So this word here is pronounced as a più, 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 and it's different without this mark, which without this word pronounced as più, which means some, but in this case we pronounce it as più, più. So più means some, più means it means like big, huge, but in this case it means see you later, a più tardi, see you later. The last word is a presto, which means see you soon. So presto means soon. So a presto means see you soon. So salve in a formal way. Ci vediamo dopo. It's kind of let's see you later. Or a dopo, which means later. A più tardi. A più tardi. See you later. A presto. See you soon. The only thing here, guys, you don't need to be like confused, because in Italy when we can say like ci vediamo dopo or a dopo without thinking twice, because that's how I don't say like Italian people work like that, but it's something like it's very natural. So we can say o ci vediamo dopo or a dopo. There is like no differences. And here we have arrivederci. Arrivederci. Arrivederci means see you. See you. Arrivederci. Arrivederci. See you. And the second one is addio. Addio. It's the same. It has the same meaning like in the Spanish, which means adios. Um, and I think in English it's a goodbye. Goodbye. It's this word addio means like goodbye forever. That it's same as in Spanish. Goodbye forever. So like in English we don't say something like that. We say just goodbye. That's why I write. That's why I wrote goodbye. So addio means in Italy don't say addio to a person because otherwise they take it bad. Um, yeah, like you can use this word like between your friends or family maybe, but never use this word like at the school with your professors, with teachers, with your boss. Otherwise your boss will fire you, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, the third word is buona giornata. Buona giornata. So in the last lesson I said why this word is buona and how why and why is used buona and not buono or buon. So if you haven't watched that video, go and watch. And yeah, the buona giornata, have a nice day, have a nice day, buona giornata. And we also say buona serata, so to say good evening. So have a nice actually buona serata means have a nice evening, but in English we don't say that, so we say good evening. So yeah, buona serata. So let's repeat these words. Arrivederci, which means see you. Addio, like goodbye forever. Buona giornata, have a nice day. And buona serata, which means good evening. And in the last lesson, we studied these words: ciao, buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buonasera, buonanotte. So, yeah, these are the words that you need to study to memorize because these are the fundamental and basic things in Italian. So, if you know these words, you can like they consider you as a kind person if you know these words. So yeah, these words are to study to memorize. And so yeah, today we learn some new words to say hello in different ways and in which way to use and where to use, and they obviously their pronunciation, and we reviewed what we learned in the last lesson. And yeah, that's it. You are improving your lessons, your studies. And yeah, so thank you. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to it, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get the notification once we post our new videos. And follow our Instagram account, which is LN_GUA where I post every day a new word. So yeah, see you in the next lesson. See you.